When we started Vaer in 2016, there were essentially two paths available for an independent American watch brand. Either mass-produce watches overseas and try to get big as quickly as possible, or stay small and keep things in the United States. Over the past 5 years, we've worked to create a third path, investing in US sourcing and assembly, while strategically integrating global components where necessary to maintain best-in-class performance and affordability. We started pretty small at first, assembling batches of just a few hundred quartz pieces, and with each successive order, have always worked to improve the quality of our watch designs and increase the total percentage of US-based sourcing. Our current lineup includes dozens of different models, ranging from design-oriented automatics to ultra-functional solar-powered divers. And thanks to US assembly and individual water resistance testing, we have incredible confidence in the technical capability of every watch we ship. In 2021, we launched our first line of watches with US-built AmeriQuartz movements, which was a big step forward. When paired with one of our American-made Horween leather straps, these models have a total US source origin value of over 55%, which, in terms of percentages, is comparable to the source origin requirement for a Swiss-made watch. While a true made-in-USA Vaer watch is currently out of reach due to stringent requirements and a lack of specialized manufacturing, our goal is to continue to push the limits of American sourcing at scale, while also working to raise awareness for the unique challenges that American-based brands face against global competitors with much lower source origin requirements. Though American assembly hasn't been the easiest path, thanks to the continued support of tens of thousands of customers from around the world, we're proud to now be the largest independently owned assembler of watches in the United States, and a small part of a much larger movement toward local craftsmanship and the resurgence of an American industry.